Is this real? Oh my god. Hey guys, you won't believe how much I've made just 2 weeks after monetizing my channel. Oh my god. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much I've earned already just 2 weeks after monetizing my channel. Indeed, YouTube pays. Like, if anybody's telling you out there, stop doing YouTube, let me know say that person is enemy of progress. Yes, because YouTube is paying, like the money is real. So in today's video, there's no time for much talk. I'm just going to be going straight to my YouTube studio to show you guys exactly how much I've got there. You all know that I got monetized on this my channel just 2 weeks ago, which is on the 13th of this December. Yeah, and so today approximately makes it 2 weeks after I'm being paid here on YouTube. You can go ahead to watch my other videos on how much I get 2 days after monetizing my channel and all that. And as a small channel like me, as a small creator out there, you really need to watch this kind of videos in order for it to motivate you and put you on the right path, so that if you're thinking of giving up, you won't think of doing that ever again. And at the end of this video, I'm still going to be sharing with you what actually helped me in monetizing my channel somehow faster, and what actually helped me in gathering this high revenue. So it's left to you. Please try to watch to the end so that you can judge if the pay is worth it or not. Guys, I cannot just wait. So without much being said, let's just delve straight into the video. So I'm going to be going through a screen record here, which I'll be displaying on the screen for you guys to see. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, yes, like, comment and share so that it can get to a larger audience. Of course, you always enjoy value in my channel. I give you tips. Every single thing that has helped me grow on this YouTube street is definitely what I share on this my channel. So let us just go straight into our YouTube studio right now and get this. So guys, since it's a general, that is overall pay, there will be no need of going through my the overview or how the video performed and all that. So we're just going to start from the audience aspect before we go straight to the total revenue aspect. Yes, because there are some things that I need to show you in this place. So now we're going to be going to the geography, which I said is the main. So unfortunately, my beautiful Nigerians watch me more. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for finding my content resonating. So from Nigerians, I have 32.1%. That is a beautiful thing. Then followed by USA, United States. I love you guys so much. My fans from the UK, from the US, I love you all so much. So I have 13.1% of them watching my videos. Now down to Kenya, I love you guys so much. I have you guys 4.3% that watch my videos. So we're going to be going straight to watch time from subscribers. Hi God, people are breaking my heart. Imagine not subscribed, 78.8%, and only 21.2% that actually watch my video that subscribe. Guys, please, if you've watched to this extent, let it be that it was because of this particular point you actually subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. If possible, say write it, I'll give you a shout out. Please subscribe to my channel, please. Now we're going to be heading straight to the revenue aspect. Of course, this is the main deal of the video. Now for the revenue aspect, it's divided into, I think, 4 different parts. We have the supers, we have the memberships, we have the short feed ads, and we have the revenue and the overall revenue. So we're going to be starting straight from the supers. So for this super aspect, I have 6 purchases. That is 6 beautiful people actually gifted me through my videos. Honestly, I don't take it for granted. and I'm super grateful. And I say God bless you all for those of you that took out your time to gift me, because it's not easy. God bless you all so much, and believe me when I say your channel is going to grow massively. So guys, actually somebody gave me a super chat during my live stream. I don't know yet if it was this morning or yesterday. If you're out there, you were the one that actually gave me that super chat. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I didn't even notice. If not, I would have given a shout out immediately. So now let us just go to the total estimates of the supers I have, the some total supers I have on my phone. So the total estimate is $7.03. This is how much I've made from the super and from the gift you guys have given me. Thank you so much. Believe me when I say I don't take it for granted, not at all. So guys, we're going straight to the membership aspect. Unlike before, the last time I did how much YouTube paid me, my total revenue, I was having 0 on this membership side. And as God may have it, today I have 2 members already, not just members, they belong to the gold member. So if you want to join, you can just go ahead to this community post, copy the link, guys, click on the link, and it's going to take you directly to join my channel membership. Believe me when I say a lot, I'm going to be sharing a lot with you guys. So now this is how much I've made from channel membership. $1.69, almost $2. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Thank you guys so much for joining. Now we're going to be going straight to the short feed ads. That is how much I've made from short feeds, from posting to my shorts. How much have I made? So that is what we're going to be looking into right now. So let's know if it's worth it or not. So guys, this is how much I've made from my short feed ads. I've made $1. Wow, like this is massive. You guys know that I don't really post on my shorts. If not sharing my contents here to shorts, I don't actually post, and they're actually very short. So for me to make almost $2 from my short form videos, it's something like I'm really grateful. Thank you guys so much. I don't take anything on this my revenue aspect for granted. Yes, I'm so happy. Now, so these are the videos that contributed to the money. These are the videos here that contributed to this money. And if you check out, there are videos I posted 3, 4, 5 months ago on this my channel. So each time you want to upload a video, please make sure that you are doing it the right way, in order for you not to start deleting it when it's time for monetization. Okay, now we're going to be going straight to the watch page ads. That is the money I make from each video you guys watch on my channel. That is what we call the watch page ads. So guys, this is how much I have made from my watch page ads. Clear roll. I've made $319.65. Like, is this real? Is this real? Just 2 weeks of monetizing my channel. Have you guys seen that consistency actually paid? No, we're not going into that. I'm just going to be sharing with you what actually helped me achieve this beautiful result. Yes, this video will not be complete without telling you guys the small secret things that made me achieve this massive income, this massive revenue. After all the cut, this is what I got from my videos. And guys, you won't believe that it's even some videos I had on my channel here, even before I monetized my channel, that actually gave me high revenue. I'm still going to be showing you guys all that. So this is how much advertisers pay, 9.96. That is $9.96. That is how much advertisers are paying. And I must appreciate you guys for always watching my ads. May God bless you so much for me, in Jesus' name, amen. We're going to be going down here where we have earnings by ads. So you guys, skippable video ads, which is auction, I have 78.1%. Display ads, I have 17.8%. Bumper ads, 2.7. Non-skippable video ads, 1.7. Thank you guys for not skipping my video ads. We're still going to the total revenue. This is not the total revenue yet, so relax, calm down. We're still going to the total revenue. So guys, now let me take you guys through the videos that actually gave me this revenue. Let me just show you guys some of the videos on my channel here that gave me this revenue. Now the video with the highest revenue so far is this beautiful video here, which I have over $100. I've made over $100 from this particular video, and this video is barely 1 week on my channel. This video has given me $102.06. Now this second video was video I made over a month plus. I did this video before even getting monetized. I've gotten $46.42 down to this other video. So these are how much I've been able to make from each of my videos. Like, this is massive. This is massive. Okay, look at this video I did 2 days ago. This video has generated $24.11. If you want me to be making videos on how much I make per 1,000 views, you can also drop it in the comment section, because because the revenue, that is the RPM I get per 1,000 views on my videos are way too high. Like what I initially had in mind, or like what I initially thought YouTube pay. So YouTube paying this person and YouTube paying you is different. Don't feel that, oh, this person is earning $4 on a video, definitely I will earn $4. One of my video, I'm earning over $9 from one of my video. Guys, like, this is real. This is so real. I've not seen something that is as real as this before. So guys, we're going to be going straight to the general pay. That is the overall pay I have here. This is how much YouTube have paid me in total. Oh my god. And this is my total estimated revenue. I've made $329.36. God, this is my total revenue in just 2 weeks. Is YouTube not worth it? Go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Reply me. Is it not worth it? Is it not worth the stress? Is it not worth the midnight cries? Is it not worth the struggle, the pain, everything? Oh my god. Hey. Yes guys, this is real. This is how much I've made in general. This is how much I've made in total. Guys, I'm so happy. This is real. This is to tell you that if you're not taking your YouTube videos serious, if you're not taking your YouTube channel serious at this very minute, at this very point, I want you to start taking it serious. Yes, because the revenue is real, the money is real, everything here is real. I think the overall first thing that actually helped me achieve this beautiful revenue is God. Why am I thanking God? For giving me the strength to run this everyday posting on YouTube. It's not easy. It's not easy. That is why sometimes you see my video appear on your screen by 12 a.m. At times by 11. It's because I'm struggling to edit and post, and also back to where I travel to, there's no network. So thanking God for the strength alone. Then the second thing that actually helped me a lot is being consistent. Consistent covers it all. Like, consistency is what actually made me achieve this beautiful revenue. Yes, uploading videos every day. I'm not just uploading videos every day. I keep saying it over and over again. Not just bringing out video here, valuable content. Yes, bringing out valuable content that are resonating well with my audience. And if you're to ask me that question, how do I get valuable content? How do I know what people are searching for? That's why you have your YouTube studio. I've done video on that, where you can see the inspiration box on your YouTube studio. Go there, you'll be able to see what the audience you have on your channel are actually seeking for, what people are searching for here on YouTube. And aside that, always make your research. Make use of YouTube inbuilt features. Every single thing I keep teaching you on every of my videos are really important. That is why if you are a small YouTuber, or you just opened YouTube channel today and you've not subscribed to my channel, please, you really have to do so. Why? Is because I bring everything to your table as it is. I'll tell you everything that is working for me, and I will urge you to also try it on your channel if it's going to work, which we all know that definitely it should work, except if you're not doing it the right way, or except if your channel has faults in some settings and all. And if you're a new person here and you want somebody to take you through on your YouTube channel setting, you can always send a message to my email in order for you to have a one-on-one class with me, that is for normal YouTube tutorials with me, or a channel review, more like channel setting, to set your channel the right way, to give you tips on building your grounds here on YouTube. So do not fail to always send us a mail if you need any help with that. And lastly, just take your YouTube serious. You've seen it. I don't need to sugarcoat anything for you anymore, that YouTube pays. Yes, I know there are some people here that actually earn ×2 of what I earn right now, and you know the revenue is always updating. This revenue you see here is just for like yesterday on. Today on has not even reflected yet, so it's more like 13th day revenue. So guys, like, I'm really happy. I'm so grateful that I've actually made this within the space of 2 weeks. We have to stop this video here. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you a whole lot of things you need to know about revenue and how to make money here on YouTube. And believe me when I say I will always bring values to your table. So subscribe, like this video, share this video, drop comments so that it can get to larger audience. So guys, bye and see you in my next video. I'm so happy. This Christmas gift is too much. Bye guys, see you in my next video.